Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking power and cleanliness. Make sure the AirPods Max show 50% or attach the lightning cable for 15 to 20 minutes so pairing won't fail. Once done, extend the telescoping headband to roughly fit your head width, then position the cups over your ears one at a time. You should hear a soft seal. This creates the acoustic chamber that delivers bass and noise cancellation. If it feels tight, adjust the headband length incrementally until it's secure but comfortable. Next, you fine-tune the seal and learn the controls. Rotate each ear cup slightly forward or back to align the cushions with your ear shape. The right seal is the reason you perceive clearer bass and better ANC. Use the digital crown to set volume and press it for play/pause or skip functions. Learn the single, double, and triple press patterns. Then, make sure to toggle noise control or transparency from the ear cup button or your iPhone, so the listening mode matches your environment. Finally, confirm the fit after a 10 to 15-minute wear test and make small headband tweaks for long-term comfort. If you encounter pairing or audio issues, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and the digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. Then repair. If you still notice uneven sound or persistent ANC problems after a reset, swap ear cushions or contact support because physical cushion, wear, or firmware issues can cause imbalances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.